This is my old truck. It's been in storage for about a year. 1998 Chevy Silverado. Went to put the battery in, went to tighten up the ground bolt, and it just spun. The threads are all wore out. So to replace this bolt, take a small screwdriver and carefully pry this rubber plastic cover off of the end of the cable. And this is a lot easier to do with the battery out too. And just kind of peel this cover down. I like to cooperate. Seems like mechanics, nothing ever does. It's just like things look easy, and it doesn't seem like they ever are. Murphy's Law, what can go wrong will go wrong, seems to apply. And add in plumbing. plumbing should be simple, but it doesn't seem like it ever is. Well, let's take that bolt out. You can see those threads are all just surprising they would wear that much in a battery. So I've got a new one. Peel that cover back, put it through that hole, and bring that cover back on. And be real careful I don't poke through that cover or my finger. That's never fun. Just this back covered over the end of that cable. And there we go. And that bolt, the threads look a lot better. Be sure and check out my other videos.